I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by finding the biggest offenders. Open Chrome Task Manager with Shift+S. Identify tabs or extensions using high CPU. Once done, disable extensions one at a time to see immediate effect and remove the obvious culprits. Next, make sure Chrome is up to date via Menu Help About Chrome. Updates fix many performance bugs. Finally, restart Chrome after updates and extension changes so you can test whether CPU use drops before moving on. Once initial fixes don't fully resolve it, clear browsing data to remove corrupted caches that can spike CPU. Choose the right time range and restart. Then, toggle hardware acceleration in Settings System. Turn it off if GPU drivers are unstable, or on if off improves performance. Also disable background apps running when Chrome is closed to reduce persistent CPU load. Make incremental changes and monitor Task Manager after each one so you can isolate which setting actually improved CPU usage. You finish by isolating the profile and install. Create a new Chrome profile and check CPU. If that fixes it, migrate bookmarks and extensions carefully. If not, reset Chrome settings or fully reinstall Chrome. This removes corrupted binaries or settings. After reinstall, add extensions back slowly. If problems persist, run a different browser to confirm whether the issue is Chrome-specific or system-level. Troubleshooting tip: if CPU stays high, boot into safe mode or check for system-level malware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.